Hello guys, Mommy and the Wilsons on the go. So welcome to my studio, my crazy studio. It is Saturday morning. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This would be my very first time using Delaney's camera. Remember on her birthday last January, I gave her a Samsung NX Mini and my camera is outside. So I don't have a choice but to use this and my phone is uploading. So what I'm doing right now, since it's Saturday morning, I always feel like I have to clean up. That's the only time actually I can clean up. So what I'm doing right now is I am cleaning up my purses. I have a lot of purses and the usual ones that I wear is just right here in my studio also. See all the papers in there. My goodness, sorry, I apologize for my hair and everything. But today I feel like I have to clean up my the stuff inside my purse, since I really love to just change purse. I have my purse for school, I have my purse for work, I have purse for just whatever. Today I feel like I need to just empty them up. I always just like to use them, but whatever I use, I just leave it up in there. So today I will be cleaning up whatever the stuff in here. It's like what's inside my purse. I already cleaned this up and I cleaned this up and I did not get a chance to film. So this one is a Kate Spade and I don't know. I always have my purse and I just leave it open. Today we are going to clean up. Already clean up this one. So let's see what we can find in my purse. Alright. Oh, look at that. All trash. So I have boogie wipes. Trash. I should have my trash can here beside me. Receipt. Trash. I have a tape measure from IKEA. Trash. So I don't know if I can use that. So I'll put that in there. Oh, my old time Michael Kors wallet also. I like bringing this one because it's so bright and I can put my coins in here. You know, sometimes I don't want to use my good wallet because it gets messed up with all the coins. Sorry again for my hair. Happy birthday, Kate! Kate, I found my letter that I was supposed to give you on your birthday. Sometimes, guys, like on close friends like that, I don't get them cards. I write them letters. And look how many pens I have here. You could tell I'm a teacher. I have 5 pens here. Oh, Lord. Oh, 6. I'm sorry. Of course, I got my rosary. And more coins. More coins. Alright. Kids' toys. The little, whatever you call that. I can't take my hair. I look like a mess. Hold on. Hold on, guys. 1 second. And I'm gonna try to upload this without editing. Let's see. How many minutes would it make? Oh, Lord. The inside pocket, guess what's here? I always have this. It's a girl thing. I'm sorry. No, I don't throw all the tags. I have receipts, obviously trash. I have, what's this one? What is this? Papers that I know I need. What in the world? Feel free to share your other addresses. I think this is the paper I have for my PO box, and I'll put this back. Oh, that's it. More Tums, so medicine. You know, girl thing. Oh my Lord, I can't believe that. Alright, let's see what else is in here. Papers. Before I throw the papers, I need to know what these are. Phil, Easter celebration. Nope. Trash. Oh my gosh, tissue paper. And what else is here, my lordy? More papers. Portables. AT&T next. Oh, this is when I get my phones. AT&T. Debit card. Oh yeah, so we can throw that. We don't need that. So we already cleaned up 3 bags. Next, we're gonna clean my Burberry. I really like the slides in the messenger, kind of like that bag. So we'll see. So the outside, I'm surprised it's clean. Now let's go dig in the inside. Trash. Ah, gum. Where would I put gum? Right here. More tissue. Hair ties. More hair ties. What's this card? You know what? I have to save some of this Dave and Buster's cards because I know some of this still has money. Chuck E. Cheese. Lollipop. Where in the world there's lollipop? That's trash because the kids could not eat that anymore. More coins on the side. Lord have mercy. What in the world was I thinking? Oh my goodness. Look at all this. Oh my gosh, my gosh, my gosh. Okay. Alright. Hair tie. What's this one? Mimosa trash. Daddy, I'm live.
You gotta go.
No, in upstairs. Trash.
Give me that brush right there.
I'm doing something.
You want me to walk across there and get it?
No. Can you just do it later,
No.
please?
Come on.
I'm live right now.
So am I.
Oh, Lord. Don't look at him. More pen. Oh, Lord. What's this? Wells Fargo receipt. I hope there's no money in that one. Trash. More hair ties. Chuck E. Cheese. Tags. Toys. I don't know. Hair ties. Oh, my gosh. Trash.
Come on now.
Clips. Are you serious?
You're not gonna get that brush for me?
Like you can't brush your hair later?
With my fingers?
Lord, my gosh. Here.
Thank you.
Like you can't brush your hair later. Spinners. See what I have to deal with, guys. Oh my gosh, what is this? Ah. What in the world? Tags. Earrings. Lord. And more coins. More coins. Alright, let's see. That's from the inside pocket. Now we're gonna go to the zipper pocket. Let's see what's inside. Oh, medicine. Tylenol. And the tags, you know, the original tags that comes with it. I have my hair insurance. And the rosary. So I'll keep all of these in here. These are important stuff. I'm not really gonna totally empty that one. So my Burberry bag is... I'm gonna review this bag. It might be a good one. It's done, cleaned up. Alright, now we have another Kate Spade. This is one of my new ones, and I feel like I bought this because of the summer. And more receipts. This is how it looks in the inside. More trash again. Okay. Alright. I like this. I have the cards again. Lipstick. Where would I put that? Alright. I have more stuff here. Receipt. Kohl's. We can use this. $10 pa na. Kohl's. Receipt. Oh, Lord. All the receipts. I don't need that calling card. And more coins. This is when I find a lot of coins. A lot of coins again. Because I don't put the coins in my wallet. I just put it in a bag. More. Oh, tickets of the... Is this Lion King? Yeah, Lion King. Alright, that's clean. That at least the smaller the bag, the smaller we have in there. Alright, my Chanel bag. I hope there's not a lot of trash in this one. Oh my gosh, it's nagpapa-Chanel pa tayo, toothpick lang naman laman. This is so funny. Oh, at least my charger's here, my Mophie. So I charged this one, and if I go somewhere, at least... I used this in the J-Lo concert. That's why it's in here, because I was thinking if I run out of juice, at least I have this. Empty. So we are going to charge that. Lipstick. And the insides. Oh, I took out the card for this one. But it's all good. It's empty now. Yes. Now we're going to put this back. No, empty that one. Alright, the big... what do you call this? Basta, Louis Vuitton na anong tawag? Neverfull. Ayan. At, dala-dala ko to, te. Saan ba ako galing na mayroong ganito? My 10-inch ring light is in my purse. Oh, Lord. With the stand, of course. Ayan. Lagay natin yan dyan. With, okay. Magpa-vlog kaya tayo today. With my, Joby Gorilla Pod. More wipes. Zara. Oh, my shades. What's inside the shades? My cool shades. My Ray-Ban shades. Ito yung problema pag nag-clean up tayo. May mga makikita tayo. Tapos, ayan, natatagalan tuloy sa pag-cleaners. Anyhow, let's put that out. Paper. Guess how many pens do I have? 3. Why do I have this? Lights. See, ang dami kong laman na hindi ko... Okay. I used this when last June pa to, when we had our Fiesta Filipino. Do you remember that? I was hosting it. And so I have, this is one of the stuff that we have for our program. Ay, ang ganda ng bag. Mga basura lang para. Ay, hey! Have that. Oh, this is part of the, shoot. This is part of the, ang tawag dito. Ayan. Part yan siya. Sana hindi mawala, ano. Ito yung problema ko, yung mga parts ng mga gadgets ko ay nawawala. Hindi ko alam kung anong it comes with what. Okay, clean ang outside. It's impossible not to find any coins. Ayan, may coins na naman po tayo. Inside pockets. Oh Lord, ang dami nito. Teka lang. This is what's in the inside pocket. Ang mga receipt ko ng Louis Vuitton ko, hindi ko nilalagay dito. It's still in the dust bag. So, of course, coins again. Let's see what we have here. Oh, Versace. Perfume. 2 lipstick. Band-Aid. Lord. Hair tie. Lord. Oh, ito pala, oh. Resibo ng Neverfull. So, I will put that back. Resibo. Para alam kung magkano. Meron pang laman. Expired na, guys. January 2017. But I could still use that. That's not bad. For the eyes. Oh, Miss Olive gave me this one. This is a good reminder. I have to go to Paris. This is actually for Delaney because mine was gold. Remember, Miss Olive? Yan. Tapos, of course, tingnan mo nga naman. Meron pala tayong tinatawag na mahaling necklace dito at hilinalagay lang dyan. Diyos mio. And my headphone. Yeah, this is a good headphone. That's it. At least this Neverfull is already empty now. Last one. Last one. Another Louis Vuitton. This is my very first Louis Vuitton. I bought this in Atlantic City. Oh my gosh, what is that thing? Oh Lord, what is that? Oh. I have to clean this one up. Oh, may white stuff siya dyan. Ay, wala siyang masyadong laman. But a cheque. Cheque lang siya. Asan na yung isa kong cheque? Meron akong cheque. 2 cheque dito eh. At pictures! I remember we went to Vice Ganda. Ayan. Vice Ganda pala to na memory. Hindi ko pa to na-post yan, oh. Ang ganda ni ate. Foodie, ito! Remember this? I'll take a picture of this and I will send it to Foodie. Alright. Yan lang. Tapos the side pocket. Ay, what's inside the side pocket? Ito na nga, sinasabi ko marami akong cards na ganito. And I'm not gonna throw that away because... Yan. Ay! Bumili pa ako ng ganito. Andito lang naman to. Nung nag-J-Lo kasi, I could not find these. But I needed these earrings to complete the look. Ayan, may relo pa. Lacoste na relo. Hindi siya nagfo-focus. Ano? Nagfo-focus ba tong... Ay, nagfo-focus siya. Ganyan pala. Oo, tapos yung key. Asan na yung key? Nandyan yung ano, wala yung key. The key, I keep it inside. Kaloka. Key ng, anong tawag nito? Kaloka. Basta Louis Vuitton na bag. I can't remember it on top of my head. If you know, comment down below. Of course, the key, na sana nasa box pa. Sirang box. And what's missing is, you know it, the coins. So, ano yung pinaka naroon talaga always sa ano ko, sa mga bags ko? Coins. Ayan. Lalagay ko lang kasi yung mga coins sa bag at hindi nilalagay sa wallet. My wallet for this one is also. So, I am done. Yan, I am done. So, what am I gonna do? I'm just gonna put the rest of that back here. Ayan. Marami pa tayong lilinisin. Ito. Kala. But anyways, I'm just gonna put all my purse back. Alright. Ito palagi ko kasing ginagamit. Kaya andyan siya. Empty na yan, ha? Huwag nang mag-ano. Ayan. Ito malaki din eh. Dito na nga yung mga malalaki. Eh, hindi ko naman yan ginagamit. Ginagamit ko lang yan pag lalagay ko na lang yan sa dust bag. Pati ito, ida-dust bag ko na lang. Ito. Tapos, ito. Yan, dyan ka muna. Hindi ka naman kita gagamitin ngayon. Umayos ka! Tapos, ito yung mga hindi natin. Bakit mabigat pa din siya? Kaloka to si Kate Spade. Tapos si Kate Spade ulit. Ayan. Ayan. At si Burberry. Si Burberry. Meron pa akong Burberry ng hindi nagamit eh. Mag-aano tayo doon? Mag-unboxing tayo. Nakahiga siya, ganyan. At one more, si Chanel. Si Maring Chanel, ilagay natin dyan. Yan na muna. Ito yung kalat, oh. Ito yung natapos nating kalat. Basura. Alright, that's it for right now, guys. Mamaya na on the go. That's as close as personal as you can get. Pasensya na, damukha. And everything. So, that's it. Para may ma-upload lang. Ang dami ko kasing i-edit. This is unedited. And remember, my new tag is choose happy. Love you all. Love you. Bye. Ano kaya yung result nito? Bago to eh. Tingnan na natin. Hindi ko alam paano patayin. Teka lang. Pasensya na. Eto na. Ito ata.